Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Instagram story. To mention someone in your Instagram story, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, once you're inside the homepage of Instagram, tap on the plus button under your story at the top left. Select the camera icon on the next page and then go ahead and capture a photo or video or upload one from your gallery by swiping up. I'm just gonna take a picture over here right away. After you do that, you can now go ahead and tap on the text icon or the AA icon at the top. Type down @ from the help of your keypad. Now, type down the name. After selecting the contact or typing down their username, you can also go ahead and select the font style for your contact's username that you've just tagged. Position the tag anywhere within the frame by dragging it with the help of your finger. You can also customize the text, color, or sizes if you want, using this little slider over here and choosing the color option at the bottom. When you're happy with your story, tap on Done at the top right and then click on Your Stories at the bottom left. And that's how you easily mention someone in your Instagram story. They will get a notification and can share your story on their profile if they choose. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.